Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS Academic Volume 1, Test 3, the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. Nowadays, there are a large number of coffee shops and fast food vendors on high streets in town centers. Why are there so many of these outlets, and what effect is this having on the society? This 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. Now, in the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why there are so many coffee and fast food shops. In para 2, discuss the effects that this may have on society. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, describe the topic. The topic highlights the increasing number of junk food and coffee vendors at most of the commercial districts of metro cities. Now, in this essay, I will discuss the main reasons for this trend and why this has positive as well as negative social consequences. Now, in para 1, discuss why there are so many coffee and fast food shops. Business hubs and high streets attract shoppers and office goers in large numbers. Getting to these places and finding a place to park one's car is, however, time-consuming owing to slow-moving vehicular traffic. People tend to spend a significant amount of time at such places as they have a number of things to get done. In such circumstances, people need to have some refreshments at coffee shops and fast food restaurants. They may also need to avail of their washrooms. Such places are thus of great service to the people who visit city centers, and so their numbers are on the increase. Now, in para 2, discuss the effects that this is having on the society. So, as it can be seen, these small establishments that provide edible refreshments as well as restroom facilities so provide a service that can be considered to have socially positive outcomes. There are, however, a few negative outcomes of their increasing popularity in marketplaces. And the main one is the additional crowding of people that they tend to attract around them, as well as the cars that are parked in an unruly manner around these shops. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, there are many reasons for the increase in the popularity of cafes and food stalls in the commercial districts of many city centers. This situation, however, has positive as well as negative social consequences. Now, the next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. And as always, thank you for watching.